Take your listing presentations very seriously. These opportunities are often the culmination of months, if not years, of time, effort, and energy. Your listing presentation should not be ad hoc or improvised. Do not fly by the seat of your pants. Each listing opportunity is an opportunity to set your career on a new upward trajectory. Each listing opportunity should be planned and executed with a predetermined format. It must be structured. My 4-quadrant listing presentation includes rapport building, the interview process, your presentation tailored specifically to that client, and lastly, reaching conclusion. Remember, the listing presentation is not about you, it's about them, the seller. Many agents forget this. Once again, I'm Michael Mahon, your real estate success strategist. If you found this video helpful and informative, and if you feel that I've delivered some value to you, look below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, or follow me. And don't forget to smash the bell to receive more notifications.